Sunday, you know it must be Sunday dinner with Chef Joe. Hey everybody, and I'm so glad to be back after our little, probably about a month hiatus. Anyways, you probably, for our season, I didn't realize this when I said we were coming back on October 3rd, but if tonight, unless you've been living in a cave, you probably know that there's this really kind of big football game going on tonight here in New England. And so I thought, let's theme dinner around the game. So anyways, tonight we are having walking the plank. That's right, we're doing walking the plank. So for New England, we're going to do a baked haddock, a New England style baked haddock on a cedar plank on the grill. And for the other team, we're going to do it's a key lime rum shrimp that we're going to also make a sauce for it with a key lime like dipping sauce for it. So, guys, ready? Let's do it. All right, so let's start with our shrimp. All right, so what we're going to use for our shrimp, I put in here a half a cup of rum. Now, I didn't use any kind of southern rum. I used Privateer New England white rum. That's right, we're using a New England rum from right up here in Massachusetts in Essex County. And I put in key lime juice. Now, getting key limes, especially up here this time of year, not going to happen. A real great substitute is they actually make key lime juice that you can buy in the bottle. So that's what I used in here. So you're going to put in 1 cup of, half a cup of rum and 1/4 of a cup of the key lime juice. All right, so then after that you can put them on the plank. Now the best part is the planks are right here. Let me bring these over so you can see them. And these are cedar planks, and what I've been doing is I've been soaking these for like the last about 45 minutes in water. I flipped them a couple of times. And what you're going to do is you're going to take some of your shrimp here, and we're going to put it. These, by the way, these have been marinating for only about 30 minutes. And the reason is, guys, you know what the lime does? The lime cooks them, which is kind of the purpose of this dish too, is that they're cooked before they even go off the plank. Anyway, so then we take that and we're going to put that right on here until it's nice and smoky, because it'll be done literally in about 2 minutes. All right, so now we're going to make our baked haddock. Real simple. You're going to take some butter. I have some melted butter here. And you have, where are we? You have melted butter, and then we're going to take our cod, and we're going to, this is Atlantic cod, and we are going to put that into a bath of breadcrumbs, which I've also seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to just do it just like that. And then we're going to put that on one of our planks. Okay. That's that. And then the end result, let me grab these gloves off. The end result is this beautiful piece of fish, as you can see, that looks like that. It's nice, it's perfect, it's done, it's ready to be served. And then you could serve this like with a tartar sauce, You can serve this with a tartar sauce.
Lay it across the...
Yeah, I'll lay it across here. Thank you, camera lady. Camera lady was trying to explain something to me. All right. So, while we're waiting on our shrimp, let's make a sauce for the shrimp. Real quick. Oh, and you know what? We were going to do What's Joe Drinking, but I guess Joe just realized Joe doesn't have any Coke with this, but you know what? That's okay. Joe will sip this delicious Privateer New England white rum. You know what? It's got like a hint of vanilla I'm getting in it, so this is going to be like having a vanilla Coke. That's going to be awesome. All right, can't wait. We'll get my Coke after the show. All right, so let's start with our sauce. So we're going to take a half a cup of mayonnaise. I like to use, unless I'm making it myself, which we'll do that on another show. This is just good old-fashioned Hellmann's mayonnaise. All right, I know there's always those people who have mayonnaise beefs. And then we're going to put in, this is 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. All right. And this is 1/4 cup of the key lime juice, which is way too much than you need, but that's okay, because you're going to just keep mixing this up and it will thicken. Now you can, if you want, to chill it, but again, this is a dipping sauce. This is not supposed to be like a thick sauce. What's that, camera lady?
The tartar sauce?
I talked about the tartar sauce. I said we're going to make a tartar sauce, but we can't make it today. So I'm sure they all have it. Now, I just threw in, while camera lady was talking to me, we have some capers I just threw in there to give it a little bit more of a kick. A little capers, maybe about a tablespoon of capers. And that's all you need to do. That's it. You can throw in a little pepper if you like. You don't need any salt because the capers have some salt in them. And that's it. And then let's go see what's happening with the shrimp, because something's on fire, baby. No, nothing's on fire. All right. There's our shrimp. Oh, that looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, they are done. They are gorgeous. So what's great about these is that you can actually serve these just like you could serve these right on there with that. And then when you're done, and you could either wait till they cooled, or you could serve them right away with this sauce. And you just kind of sprinkle a little sauce on it. I spilled that one, but sprinkle a little sauce, just like that. And there you go. That's it. If I drink all this rum, I won't be at work tomorrow. So, anyway, we won't do that. So. Until next week, I hope you all stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. And by the way, if you want to follow me on all the social sites, I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, @Chef Joe Louie, Lewi. Until next week, bye.